How to activate 3D Secure Mastercard. The first things first is you'll have to check the eligibility of your card. So before you can activate Mastercard 3D Secure Service, you need to check if your card is eligible. But once you confirm eligibility, then you can just proceed on the next step. You need to contact your card issuer. And here you just have to coordinate with the customer service to inquire about activating Mastercard's 3D Secure Service. And then by then, they will guide you through the process and provide you with the necessary information to set up the service on your card. You just gotta make sure that you have your card details ready, available when contacting them. Now set up your 3D Secure service. After getting in touch with your card issuer, they will provide you with instructions to activate Mastercard's 3D Secure service and just have to follow their guidelines carefully to set up the service on your card. Now these actually are typically involves creating a unique password or PIN that will be used to authenticate your online transactions, which is actually a general thing to do while setting up any cards online. Now test your 3D Secure service, and then once you've successfully activated the 3D Secure service, it is advisable to test it before using it for actual transactions. This also helps you ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Now you can now enjoy and try to use your MasterCard as a mode of payment. So that's it. That's how you activate a 3D Secure MasterCard.